And Jesus came up and spoke to them, saying, "All authority has been given to me in heaven and on earth. Go therefore and make disciples of all the nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, teaching them to observe all that I commanded you. And lo, I am with you always, even to the end of the age." Matthew 28:18-20. So this passage is most commonly known as the Great Commission, and it's one of the most important commands that Jesus gave Christians and believers. And so kind of the communication part of this, it's known as evangelism, is kind of the Christian lingo and Christian slang of, just preaching the gospel, letting people know like what God has done in their lives and what God is doing and what he did for them. And so, why does Christian communication matter? Why does evangelism matter? Well, it affects each individual that comes across with it. I know within my life, years ago, there's a guy by the name of Diaz who, expressed this, and he told me about the gospel, and it affected my life, affected my sister's life, and my mom and my dad. And we all know the Lord because of his one act of obedience and his one act of communication. And now my kids and my family, they're going to know the Lord, and they're going to be exposed to the truth because of this guy's communication, when I was a young kid. And so, I think the difference that it makes is that every individual that comes across with the gospel is exposed to the love of Christ and now gets purpose and now gets meaning in their life. And so I think that's the purpose, and that's the difference it makes. And why do you care? It's not, you don't care because you go to a Christian school and because Jesus has to be the right answer to everything, but we care because it makes a difference, and it changes lives. It changes my life, and that's why I care. And that's the difference that it makes, that everyone in this room, if you know the Lord, the difference that evangelism made was in your life, and you know the Lord because of this communication, because of evangelism. And so I think that's why we care. That's why we need to care. We need to be reminded of the power that we have as Christians, and that we have authority in the name of the Lord, and we have so much power and how we talk to unbelievers and how we communicate what Christ has done in us.